Mama's got something for you. Yeah. What does Mama have for you? You want to see? I got something special. I got something special. Look what it is. It's an elephant. Look at it, Spanky. It's right in front of you. No, this. This is your toy. Spanky. Not Spanky right here. Spanky. Spanky, this is what's special, the elephant. You love Mommy? Do you love Mommy? I love, who's that? Who's over there? Who was that? I got you this. This is for Spanky. No? Do you want to see it? Look. It's your toy. You want something else? Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat?
Did you give him his present?
He doesn't care about his present. I think he wants a treat. He's just looking at me. What's Daddy got? What's Daddy got?
Go get it. Go get it. Get it.
Why don't you get the toy? Get the toy. Oh. Okay. I'll get you a treat instead. I love you.